I was doing the traditional jobs and got downsized. My son was 8 years old, and I said, well, I need to work. At first, I thought, oh man, I think I made a mistake because it was so big and it was a little intimidating to me at first. But once I got in there and I just got familiar with it, I just love it. I love the truck. I really do. And that's just, I don't know, it's just, it's fun for me, to just go and know that I actually participated, I actually helped to build the road. I'm like a hands-on kind of person. When I get to be outside, enjoy, I love the outdoors. Really fun. It's way different than sitting in an office. Job security is great, and the benefits are really good. You get long hours. I can't say enough about it, really. It's helped me. I've been here 13 years, the same job. If a woman decided to make a career in highway construction, she would really find that even though it won't be easy all the time, it's well worth it. You can write your own ticket. You can go as high as you want to.